Now when you look at the diagram, what is the total current flowing through RE? You can say it is combination of IB and IC. I can say IE is nothing but IB plus IC. How I can write IB as current IB? How I write current? Voltage upon resistance. What is the voltage? V pi. What is the resistance? R pi. So I can replace IB as V pi upon R pi. Then I can replace IC as GM into V pi. So instead of writing IE, I can write V pi upon R pi plus GM into V pi. When you are applying KVL from the input to the ground in this loop, when you are applying KVL, so what I will say, KVL from input around base emitter loop, what I will have the equation, I have Vs, I am living with positive sign, so plus Vs, I am living with positive sign, so plus V pi. And what is the current into resistance? IE into RE, I can write as plus IE into RE equals to 0. So I can write Vs as minus V pi. Instead of IE, I can write this, I can substitute this over here. So what I will get, minus V pi upon R pi plus GM V pi into RE, right? So when I am taking V pi common, it will be minus V pi. From the entire thing, if I am taking V pi out, it will be 1, then plus 1 upon R pi plus GM into RE. So this is my Vs. Now what will be my V pi? I can write V pi as minus Vs upon the entire thing. This entire thing will go on the other side. So you can say 1 plus, if I am cross multiplying this, I will have 1 plus R pi into GM whole divided by R pi, this bracket multiplied by RE. What you can say, in this bracket it is not completely multiplied by RE, you have this multiplied by RE and you have a bracket over here. So 1 upon R pi plus GM is only multiplied by RE. You have no multiplier for V pi, so it is separate term. So you will have this in the denominator. Now I can write AV as, instead of R pi into GM, I can write beta, as I have told you. How we get R pi into GM as, how we write R pi as Vt upon IBQ, or it can be written as beta Vt upon ICQ, right? How we write GM, ICQ by Vt, so Vt, so you are left with only beta. So instead of GM into R pi, I can write it as beta. So what will be the equation in this case? Minus Vs upon 1 plus beta upon R pi into Re. So this I got relation between V pi and Vs. So if I am replacing this V pi over here, I will get Vo upon Vs. So what you will have, AV is Vo upon Vs. Vo, what we have got the equation, GM V pi into RC. So instead of V pi, I am writing as minus Vs into RC upon 1 plus beta upon R pi into Re. So this I have got Vo. So in Vs, when it is going on the other side, you are left with Vo upon Vs equals to, now again simplifying the denominator, what you will have after simplifying the denominator, it is 1 plus beta upon R pi into Re. So when you are simplifying this, it will be R pi plus 1 plus beta Re, the whole divided by R pi, and when this whole divided by R pi is going in the numerator, so it will be multiplying with this term. So you are left with minus GM R pi into RC, the whole divided by R pi plus 1 plus beta Re. We can substitute GM into R pi as beta. So what we will have, the final equation is minus beta RC whole divided by R pi plus 1 plus beta into Re. Now you know all the values, so we can find voltage gain as beta is 80, RC is given as 4 kilo ohms divided by, we have R pi 3.72 kilo ohms, beta is 81 and RE is 2 kilo ohms. So when you substitute all the values, you will get it as minus 1.93. This is how we are solving the voltage gain and we are getting final answers. Thank you for watching.